The CSX auto rack has finally permission to go. So I don't know if an NS train is gonna come by, but we're waiting for NS. We've been waiting for NS for a long time now. Almost an hour. NS, come on. Whoa. Yeah, that's the horn for the CSX. If that is not CSX, I don't know what it is. I mean, it probably is NS if it's not CSX. Because he would be honking the horn for a while. Oh! Okay, that grabbed my attention. Okay, that just grabbed my attention. That's probably the CSX. Yeah. Probably is CSX. There's the end of it.